Men over 50, listen to me. If you have been relying on baking soda alone to improve your circulation, your stamina, or your ability to perform in the bedroom, you need to stop immediately. Because using baking soda by itself may be the very reason nothing is changing. And for many men, it is the difference between hope and disappointment, between strength and silence. I see men every day who look down instead of looking up. Men who used to feel unstoppable now lying awake at night wondering why their bodies won't respond. They don't talk about it, but the pain is real. The frustration when the mind is willing, but the body refuses. The quiet panic when intimacy becomes uncertain, unpredictable, fragile. The fear that maybe the best years are behind them. That desire no longer matters. That masculinity is fading away. It is a loneliness most people will never understand. Here's the part that shocks nearly every man I speak to. The real solution doesn't require a prescription, a surgery, or some miracle supplement. The answer may already be sitting inside your kitchen in 2 simple powders that become dramatically more powerful when combined correctly. Today, I am going to show you exactly how. Before we continue, if this message speaks to you, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another lesson built for men your age. Now let us get straight into the truth behind this solution. The solution to better blood flow may already be in your kitchen. I am about to say something that may shake you, not just surprise you, but stop you in your tracks. Because the truth is this: the answer to restoring strong blood flow, deep stamina, and the confidence you thought was slipping away with age may not be found in a pharmacy, a specialist's office, or inside an expensive bottle of supplements. It may already be sitting quietly in your kitchen just a few feet from where you stand, every morning hidden in plain sight, while you search for complicated solutions everywhere else. I know how unbelievable that may sound. After all, we have been conditioned to believe that the only path forward is through prescriptions, procedures, or giving in to the slow decline that comes with age. But what if that assumption is wrong? What if the power to turn things around has been within reach all along, waiting for you to see it? I meet men every day who carry a silent weight in their chest, heavier than fear, heavier than pain. It is the quiet grief of feeling their strength slip away. They do not talk about it to their wives, their doctors, or even themselves. They look in the mirror and wonder when their reflection stopped looking like the man they once knew. They lie awake staring at the ceiling, remembering when their body responded instantly. When warmth and presence surged without hesitation, when intimacy was not a question, but a certainty, and they whisper the same desperate thought, "Why can't I feel like myself anymore?" What hurts most is not the struggle itself, but the feeling that they have lost something sacred: dignity, pride, and manhood. They watch their partners turn away, not because of rejection, but because of sadness and confusion. They feel the distance widening and the silence growing louder. They begin to believe a dangerous lie that this is the end, that aging means surrender, and that they have no control. But here is the truth I wish every man over 50 could hear: your body is not broken. You are not out of time. You are not weak. You are not done. What you are feeling is not failure. It is chemistry shifting. And chemistry can be supported. Chemistry can be changed. Blood flow can return. Warmth can return. Confidence can return. This discovery is not about miracles or luck. It is about science. It is about giving your blood vessels the environment they need to open fully, to deliver oxygen powerfully, and to respond the way they once did. Let us talk about that first powder now, the one most men underestimate: baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. The powder I am about to talk about is something you have held in your hands countless times. You have sprinkled it, cleaned with it, baked with it, and stored it in refrigerators, never once imagining that it could determine the strength of your circulation or the endurance of your body. And yet this ordinary white powder carries a power that most men never discover, a power that becomes more important with every year after 50 as the body begins to change in ways no one warns you about. I want you to pause for a moment and think back to a time when your blood flowed like electricity. when arousal was instant and effortless and when your body responded without hesitation or fear. Compare that to the present. The warmth that used to rush through your body has faded. What once felt automatic now requires work, concentration, or hope. You begin strong but lose power halfway through, or worse, nothing happens at all. The frustration runs deeper than words. It settles into the heart. Most men silently blame themselves, imagining they have failed, or that their age has finally taken everything from them. But the truth is far more human and far less hopeless than they fear. After 50, the body slowly becomes more acidic. Cells do not clear waste as efficiently. Blood vessels stiffen. Energy production declines, and nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for helping blood vessels open wide, begins to weaken. When acidity rises, nitric oxide collapses. And when nitric oxide collapses, blood flow fails. It is not desire that is broken. It is chemistry that needs support. Baking soda acts as a pH buffer, gently reducing acidity and restoring balance. It gives your blood vessels a fighting chance to produce nitric oxide the way they used to, supporting warmth, energy, and responsiveness. It helps reopen the door that aging slowly closes, offering the first step back to strength. However, I need you to hear this clearly. Baking soda may open the path, but it cannot finish the journey alone. It is powerful, but only partially. To unlock its full potential, it must be paired with the one powder almost no one uses. The ingredient that transforms support into transformation and turns a small improvement into something extraordinary. The reason so many men over 50 struggle with weak circulation and the frustration of inconsistent performance is not a lack of desire or a personal failure. It is because inside the body something silent and powerful is working against you every single day. Acid buildup. Men underestimate baking soda. They laugh at it, keeping it on a shelf without the faintest idea that it may hold one of the most important keys to restoring the stability of their blood flow. As the years pass, the chemistry inside the body shifts. Muscles produce more acid. Cells recover more slowly. Metabolism slows down. Stress medications, poor sleep, long years of responsibility, and the battles we never talk about all build acidity inside the bloodstream. This acidity interferes with the production of nitric oxide. Without nitric oxide, nothing happens. Blood flow weakens, oxygen cannot travel, and the response you once trusted begins to disappear. Men blame themselves, thinking they are losing their masculinity, when in reality they are simply fighting a battle of chemistry they never knew they were in. Baking soda steps in, not as a miracle, but as a biochemical tool. When the blood becomes slightly more alkaline, the endothelial cells lining the blood vessels come back to life. They begin producing nitric oxide more efficiently. Blood vessels expand and warmth returns. But even with all these benefits, baking soda alone is incomplete. Unlocking the full power of circulation requires something more. The second powder in this combination is something almost no man ever considers. Something so ordinary and simple that when I say its name, many men laugh in disbelief, at least until they try it and feel the difference for themselves. That powder is citric acid. It is the same sour crystal-like powder used in cooking, candy making, and preserving food. You may have walked past it in the grocery store 1,000 times, without knowing that it holds the potential to transform the way your blood moves through your body. Despite its simplicity, citric acid becomes profoundly important as you age. While baking soda opens the door by reducing acidity, citric acid steps in like a powerful partner, turning that opening into momentum, into strength, into force. When citric acid meets baking soda in water, a rapid chemical reaction occurs. You see bubbles, you hear fizzing, and most men think nothing of it. But beneath the surface, something extraordinary is happening. Those two powders combine to form sodium citrate, a compound that older blood vessels respond to in a deep, almost immediate way. It is like flipping a switch inside your vascular system. Men often describe the first time they drink this mixture as if something wakes up inside them, a warmth spreading through the chest and down the arms. Sodium citrate works in three critical ways. First, it reduces oxidative stress surrounding the delicate endothelial cells inside your blood vessels, protecting nitric oxide so it can survive long enough to open the pathways your body needs. Second, it improves the flexibility of red blood cells, allowing them to slide effortlessly through narrow capillaries where oxygen delivery matters most. Third, and perhaps most importantly, it feeds directly into the citric acid cycle, fueling the production of adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is the energy currency required to maintain dilation and keep blood flowing with strength instead of collapsing halfway through. Without ATP, dilation fails. Without dilation, no amount of desire or effort can overcome biology. But with ATP, everything changes. Blood moves freely. Warmth returns. Response becomes natural again, not forced or unpredictable. Even with all this power, the mixture only works fully if you understand the timing. There is something most men never learn, something so critical that it determines whether this mixture feels like a gentle ripple or a powerful surge of life moving through your body. It is not the ingredients that decide whether you feel the full effect. It is the timing. You can take the right powders in the right ratio, but if you drink them at the wrong moment, the results can disappear into disappointment. That is why some men say I didn't feel anything, while others describe an awakening so real it brings tears to their eyes. The difference is understanding how your body responds minute by minute after taking the mixture. The moment the baking soda and citric acid fizz together and form sodium citrate, a chain reaction begins inside your bloodstream. Acidity starts to fall. Endothelial cells begin switching on again. Nitric oxide production finally has the environment it has been starved of for years. But the body is not a light switch. It is more like a machine warming back to life after years of struggle. During the first 15 minutes, the bloodstream begins shifting from acidic to alkaline, turning off the suffocating pressure that has been holding nitric oxide hostage. Around 20 minutes, the first signs of opening begin. Some men describe a gentle warmth in the hands or chest, like a slow sunrise inside the body. Between 30 and 45 minutes, sodium citrate reaches full absorption. Red blood cells begin gliding instead of fighting. Oxygen moves faster. ATP production begins rising, and the smooth muscle inside your vessels starts regaining the strength to open and stay open. But it is between 45 and 60 minutes where the change becomes undeniable. This is what I call the readiness window. It is the moment where the internal work aligns and circulation becomes prepared, responsive, and powerful. Men tell me that during this period they feel lighter, calmer, and more present, almost as if the body is remembering what it was built to do. After 60 to 90 minutes, the effect reaches its peak. Blood flow is strong and stable. Taking this mixture seconds before intimacy is like planting a seed and expecting a tree to rise instantly. You must allow the process to unfold. Now that you understand the importance of timing, we must talk about the exact formula. This is where so many men fail without ever understanding why. They guess, they eyeball, or they pour random amounts into a glass, and when nothing changes, they assume the problem is their body. But precision matters because what you are doing is a biochemical activation. When baking soda and citric acid are combined, they must interact in the exact ratio that allows the reaction to unlock sodium citrate while leaving just enough bicarbonate to continue supporting pH. The sweet spot, tested through experience in chemistry, is 2 parts baking soda to 1 part citric acid. Not equal parts, not whatever fits on a spoon, but 2 to 1. I recommend a starting amount of 3 grams of baking soda paired with half a gram to 1 gram of citric acid. This dose is strong enough to activate the effects without overwhelming the stomach or the bloodstream. The preparation is simple. Pour 8 to 12 ounces of water into a glass. Add the powders. Let them fizz for a moment to release the carbon dioxide that bubbling is the birth of sodium citrate. Stir gently. Allow the mixture to settle just enough to drink comfortably. Consume it on an empty stomach or at least 2 hours after eating. Your body absorbs it more quickly that way without food interfering. Drink it 45 to 60 minutes before you need your circulation to operate at its highest level. And start small. If you have never taken baking soda before, begin at the low end and listen to your body. I must tell you something with honesty and care. This mixture contains sodium. If you are on a strict low-sodium diet, if you have kidney issues, uncontrolled high blood pressure, or a heart condition that restricts sodium intake, speak to your doctor first. For most healthy men, this is gentle, safe, and inexpensive, but caution is wisdom. The real power of this mixture is not what it does in the first hour, but what it does over weeks and months. Most men think of solutions like this as a quick spark or a temporary push. But what if I told you the opposite is true? The greatest gift of this combination is long-term transformation. It creates changes that rebuild the health of your blood vessels and slowly restore the vitality that aging has been stealing year after year. When the chemistry inside the body is supported consistently, when you use this mixture several times per week, something remarkable begins to happen. The endothelial lining of your blood vessels, which may have been stiff and exhausted, begins to rejuvenate. Nitric oxide production becomes more stable. Red blood cells move with greater ease through the smallest capillaries. Mitochondria, the engines of energy, begin generating ATP more efficiently, powering every heartbeat and every muscle with renewed strength. You begin to feel changes not only in intimate moments, but in life itself. You stand from a chair with ease. You walk longer without fatigue. You wake up with clarity instead of fog. Your body feels warmer, lighter, and younger. Confidence returns. You stop apologizing for your body and start trusting it. Men tell me they feel courage coming back into their voice and certainty returning to their touch. They stop living in the memory of who they were and step into the reality of who they can still become. This is not a trick. It is not luck. It is physiology. It is repair. It is renewal. So here is the final message you need to hear. Your story is not over. Aging is not the enemy. Silence is. I have watched men rise again when they finally understood the truth: your body is not broken. It is simply waiting for the right conditions to work the way it was designed to. Blood flow can return. Strength can return. Intimacy can return. Hope can return. If you have felt the sting of frustration or the quiet ache of losing trust in your own body, know that you are not alone. What you are struggling with is not weakness. It is chemistry. And chemistry can be changed. The simple combination of baking soda and citric acid restores the environment your blood vessels need to open again, to deliver oxygen again, and to respond with strength again. It does not force your body into performance, it frees it. Do not walk away from this message. Do not let doubt steal what belongs to you. You deserve strength. You deserve confidence. You deserve to feel alive. Take the first step today. Reclaim the man you are, because you are not finished and you are not alone.